Hi and welcome to DJ Food and Lifestyle. Today I'm making donuts, fluffy donuts. This was the most requested video, so I thought I would make them today. So let's start making the donuts. For the dry ingredients you need 2 cups of flour and half a cup of sugar. Then I'm adding a pinch of salt and then mix it well. So here are the wet ingredients. You need an egg, a quarter cup of oil, 1 cup of milk and yeast, a teaspoon of yeast. So we have to take about 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk from the same cup of milk and then add a teaspoon of sugar. Then mix it well. And then we'll add a teaspoon of yeast. Here it is a dry yeast which I've taken, dry active yeast. So mix it and then keep it aside for 15 minutes. Then in a bowl add the egg, sugar, milk, and then whisk it lightly till the sugar is dissolved. Then let's add the yeast also into this wet mix. Now add the wet mix to the dry mix and mix it really well. I'm using a whisk over here because I don't want any lumps. Now it's almost done, so we'll cover this and keep it aside. I'm going to keep it there for about 2 to 3 hours. It's been fermenting for about 3 hours now. And look at this, it is fermented really well. Then I have mixed it once more with a spatula to release the air bubbles and then placed on a chopping board where I have put a handful of flour and then press it down. I'm not using a rolling pin over here, but I have laid it out very thick. You can see that I'm placing it, I'm just pressing it with my fingertips. And you can use a cutter. You can use a donut cutter too. So this is a simple and easy way to make donuts. Here you don't have to mix the dough after fermenting. You can directly make donuts as soon as it is fermented. Usually when making bread or bun or donuts, you need to knead it really well for about 15 to 20 minutes. But this one comes out really soft and fluffy. Do try it out. And here I'm melting some white chocolate along with a bit of cream. And the dark chocolate also, I've added a bit of cream into it. And then I've sprinkled some nut powder And then I've placed a cherry. In another one, I've dipped it with the dark chocolate. I'm using some sprinkles over here. So on one side of the donut, you can sprinkle it. It looks really nice. Likewise, you can design it with powdered sugar, soak it in butter, and then dip it into powdered sugar. In another donut, I've drizzled the white chocolate and placed a jelly bean on top. You can even dip it into warm white chocolate and sprinkle edible beads on top. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching my videos.